Lovely peaceful setting for an anchorage overnight, and the wind is from the west, got to about 10 knots I think. We were headed west, so that wasn't very good. But the sun's shining on those solar panels. The hideaway not in use as yet, but ready to go, almost anyway. And lots of logs, old dried up dead tree trunks on the beach here. Obviously a local settlement, a logging place of old. And then looking out, the fog is still in the distance on the other side, I think, maybe on the Canadian side. And this is lovely and clear, so that's nice. I'm about to get on with some wiring because my new plotter isn't working at the moment. It doesn't have any power. So what I'm hoping to do is to get this power lead here and the black wire both connected to what was the old power input for the other plotter that this has replaced. So wish me luck on that. That's my job before I get on with having some food and then getting to bed early. The rest of this actually is not needed, but the black and the red, definitely, if I can just replace, get some power to this, it might work. I really, really hope so. Okay, I'll say goodnight to everyone and have a lovely evening here after I've done my little work. Okay, thanks very much for watching, and you have a good day or a good night wherever you are.